Niggas watching that. You know what I'm saying? Baby back ribs. You season the baby back ribs. You preheat your oven. You already got your oven preheated. You show them that. You preheat your oven. You season your ribs. You know what I'm saying? You want to halfway cook your ribs. Whatever time you do, you want to preheat your oven. Start your cooking. Season. Roasted garlic herbs. And we're going to put this in the oven and we'll get back with y'all later because halfway through, I'm going to sauce it and throw another seasoning on it and then we're going to finish it. Cover your foil, cover your ribs up. We're going to let them breathe a little bit because these are already pre-done. These are, what is it, baby back?
Yeah.
Is it TGI fried? These
are real pig cooked.
Yeah, real pig cooked barbecue ribs. But still, you gotta know how to prepare them. Sweet baby Rags, not sweet Benny Ray, fat boy. Now, yeah, look at that. You got the right amount of juice on there. You take your leftover that's in the bag. And you just douse that booger like that there. Yeah, look at that, baby. Yeah, how you wanna be. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Also,
so what you gonna do?
My last couple of I'm gonna cover it back up, but I'm gonna loosely cover it because I want it to breathe, and I'm gonna get that meat gonna be real good and tender. And then the last couple of minutes, I'm gonna cook it open.
There you go.
Yeah, this is your finished product. You got them ribs, baby. That's them yum ribs. Pastor Rags ribs. Y'all don't do it like this. Don't do it like this. And all you young ladies out there, if you get some act right in you, you might find somebody that'll prepare some ribs like that. But you know what? This Negro here so hard-headed, she don't deserve it, but she get it anyway, because it's just in me to do that. Y'all did? Check. Yeah, y'all look at them ribs, them go hard ribs. Yeah, that's them Big Daddy yum ribs. Got the potato salad going in. Yeah. Look at them ribs. Yeah. Yeah.
Like Jack. You busted.
Yeah. But see, Lady J ain't got no man that'll set her down and feed her like that. Lady J feeding herself. Lady J, go work out or something. You might get somebody to make you something. Cause see, she going to work out in the morning with me. She ain't gonna just eat. She gonna be out there getting it. You dig? But that's another thing. We love you, Lady J. I'm just playing. But yeah, look at those ribs.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Y'all stop. Yeah, y'all be blessed to the next. I ain't gonna give y'all no more. Y'all learn how to cook like Big Daddy Yum, baby.